Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you for watching another of my videos. I really appreciate it, guys. What I bring you here today is the Iron Man Mark 50 helmet. This is a copy of the helmet turned into foam. We actually use Pepakura on Foam Smith armor. I just got it side by side so you guys can look. This is the 3D printer part. I actually 3D printed last year, and the 3D printers were working, and this is the foam. Just want you to see there's a lot of similarities and a lot of parts that are actually very different. The foam helmet actually it's a little bigger than I was expecting. I think it's a little too big. Should have been smaller, but this is what we came up with for now. I think it should have been like 10% smaller. This is how this part looks. I don't know if you guys can see this. And this, you guys see it, right? So this is the back. This is the back. A couple difference, nothing major that you can't really work on. This is the front. We actually try to recreate. I still gotta heat seal it, shape it a little bit more, try to make it look 100% like it. It has a lot of things that I think it needs. It's like anything else in this. There's a lot of parts, details that you're gonna get with the 3D printer is gonna be really difficult to get with the foam, but the basics are there. A couple things, nothing crazy. I gotta look at the pictures and other stuff. This is the faceplate. As you can see, the faceplate 3D printer is a lot smaller than the foam, but you always gotta count with the foam, make it a little bigger depending. The size of the foam is 6" so that makes it a lot wider. We try to recreate as much as possible the faceplate. Did it work? To a certain extent. And then this part. This is the complete helmet. This is the top part. Is gonna be a little tricky. Little tricky. And still we gotta, like I said, seal it and try to make it work with this. It's gonna be a long work because we gotta shape it up, try to make sure it's the right size. I gotta use blue tape to tape it up, try to make it stick together. I gotta do a couple things, but this is the basics of it. I don't know if it's gonna work what I'm trying to do. I'm gonna try to put it all together right now, but just wanted to show you. I'm gonna do something like this. Like this. Like this. Something like that. Something like that. Sorry guys, I know it's difficult, it doesn't really stay together, but this is the final product, not the final product, but the final assembled product. Before we actually smooth all this out, we gotta make a couple things work there. It's gonna be a lot of Dremel work to try to take this out. We gotta fix a lot of things, the eyes, everything. So it's gonna be the first Iron Man helmet I ever made out of foam. We're actually very excited to actually do this. It's a lot of learning. This part was very easy. The part that gave me a lot of issues was this. This one was easy towards the end. I messed up. I made a bevel too deep where it shouldn't have been, so I still gotta fix that to try to straighten it out. Everything else is just pretty good, and I'm hoping this is gonna be something I can finish in the next couple of days. I can bring to life, I can paint it and make it look fantastic. That's what I'm really going for. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your support, guys. Means a lot to me. Now I know I've been out of making a lot of content, but let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Thank you. Have a good one. Peace.